Hi, I'm Sirisha, and I'm currently doing the 18-month advanced course in baking and patisserie from the Institute of Baking and Culinary Arts in Vikaspuri, New Delhi. I had previously completed my master's in biology from Pune, and I'm now currently pursuing my passion. I have always been interested in learning the chemistry behind baking and how the different ingredients come together to form the final baked good. And when I was searching online before the course, I could not find satisfactory answers to most of my questions, and I thought that that was an area of research that was seriously lacking in effort. Only after coming here have I realized that the knowledge not only exists but is in abundance with the chefs in their experience and in their years of practice, and they actually have very good explanations for why things happen the way they do when we bake stuff, and how the different ingredients interact with each other. And I feel like I'm getting more here than I came in expecting for. So I am really loving it.